Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to round numbers in Excel. Let's go. We have a list of numbers ready for this tutorial. To round numbers in Excel, we need to type a formula. Put the mouse pointer in the empty cell next to the number you need and type the formula. You can find it in the description box below. The formula, $roundup, open brackets, select the cell with a number, comma, 0, close brackets, press enter. 0 in the formula stands for how many numbers you want to see after a comma. You will see the roundup of your number. Let's round up with another number, but this time let's round up keeping two symbols after a comma. Type the formula, $roundup, open brackets, select the cell with a number, comma, 2, close brackets. Press enter. You will see a roundup of the number. If you want to get a round number, type 1 in the formula. It will go like this. $roundup, open brackets, select the cell with a number, comma, 1, close brackets, press enter. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!